Hereby, we are giving the thulium fiber laser settings in various surgeries, lithotripsy, THULEP and TURBT. As you know, thulium fiber is used in lithotripsy recently. The dusting, energy source 0.1 to 0.8 joules, frequency range 60 to 550 Hz, quite long range, and 12 to 110 Hz. Fragmentation, energy range 1 to 0.1 to 6 joules, frequency range 6 to 55 Hz. Dusting and popcorn settings, dusting energy range 0.1 to 0.8 joules, frequency range 60 to 550 Hz for short pulse width, 7.5 to 68 for long pulse width, energy range 0.025 to 0.2 joules, almost 0.025, frequency range 60 to 550 Hz for long pulse and 20 to 1100 for short pulse. TURBT and TURP settings, energy source 1 to 4, we can increase here, frequency range is very less, 4 to 36 Hz. Hemostasis, energy range 0.025 to 1 joule, here we keep energy very less, frequency range 30 to 150, 240 to 1200 Hz. Quite variable ranges are there. Now we will start TFL and small stone dusting. There is a small stone in the pelvis which is freely moving. Better to dust or push it into the calyx. The small stone dusting mode is 0.5 joules and 20 Hz. Better to keep the energy less so that it will not move. Same case, one more large stone was there, calcium oxalate monohydrate. We keep dusting 0.1 joule and 60 Hz. Why? Because 0.1 joule makes it little faster dusting. If you keep 0.2, large fragments will form. For example, here same stone, after pushing into the kidney in the calyx, if you put 0.2 joules and 275, this is very high energy. We should keep in mind that vision should be clear, large size calyx should be there, isolated calyx should be there, and in between you have to stop it. Now coming to the TFL popcorning, one more setting where 0.025 joules and 240 Hz. Previous in is pop dusting. Now we are showing popcorn purely, where energy is also less but frequency is high. If energy is less, vision will not be affected. Very fine powder will be formed like this. Now coming to the TFL bladder stone. In this bladder stone, slowly we have depicted dusting with 0.1 and 60 joules initially. This is one of the lowest for this stone. So if you do like this, stone will not move, fine dust, sometimes vaporization also happens. Now once you increase to 100 to 200, if you observe, it goes very fast, but at the same time small microchips will form. Once you increase 300, it becomes breaking. So if you don't want to break like in kidney, you don't increase. Here 0.2 joules is made, then more bigger pieces will form. In bladder and kidney, there is no need to do fine powder because PCNL tract and cystoscopy tract will be big, like more than 15 French. These fragments can be evacuated. So 0.1 to 0.2 joules, 100 to 200 Hz are enough. So for example, popcorn you want to do at the end, even in a big cavity like bladder, you can do with thulium with 0.1 to 200 because it attracts the stone. Now coming to the thulium fiber enucleation of the prostate, here we are using setting incision is 1.50 by 30 Hz. See here, this is clean incision, 1.5 by 33. So any incision is also coagulative, but coagulation settings are totally different. This is cutting as well as the rest of the enucleation procedure. In this process, majority of the times coagulation happens. That means 1.50 and 33, both incision and coagulation. This is the coagulation, pure coagulation. See, immediately it is getting coagulated like monopolar cautery. 3 joules and 100 Hz. Now coming to the TFL en bloc enucleation. This is one of the very important surgery in tumors where it is obviously superficial or recurrent tumor where palliative treatment is done. If you don't want to have bleeding, same settings like enucleation, 1.5 and 33 Hz are used to do the fine incision, where you can see the bladder muscle without any coagulation, without any bleeding. See the bladder muscle fibers. Even in distended bladder it can be done. Even nearer to the ureteric orifice can be done. Obturator jerk risk is 0 technically, because it is the thermal energy which cuts. This is the coagulation, 0.025 to 240 Hz. At the edges you can coagulate also like this without any cutting effect. So these are the various laser settings. After using 2 years in 2020, we are producing this video with various laser settings in thulium, and fibers also in future may decrease in size less than 100. That time energy can still be reduced. Thank you from Preeti Urology and Kidney Hospital.